Hi everybody, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings and Tips and Techniques Tuesday. And today, this is going to be a short little tip and technique. This is just how you can quickly decorate our teeny tiny wishes, our tiny boxes, the 2x2 inch box. And this is a quick way, though you can emboss on it, you can stamp on it. This is just a quick and easy way. First of all, you want to get your box out, and there is a film of paper to protect it so it doesn't get scratched up, and you want to take that off. And then what you want to do is you want to just make sure and you fold all of these, okay, just so you can get them in. Okay, you just want to fold those. Now how to do the bottom. Okay, I'm going to fold these out and then I'm going to fold them back in the right way. So the first thing you want to do is, you see this with the divot goes down first, and then these side ones go into that divot like this, and then we've got this last one. I'll make sure it goes, and that little, let's see, can you see that? That little, there's a, let's see, there's a little flag thing, and that tucks into that little divot in that. So what I'm also using is I'm using an 8.5 by a 2-inch piece of cardstock, or of designer series paper, and I'm going to score it at 2, 4, 6, and 8, and that leaves you with a 1/2 inch on that. So again, you've got the 2, the 4, the 6, and what you want to do is you want to take some glue dots, or maybe some snail, or some tear and tape, and you want to put this on the inside just like that. And get that there, and then all you want to do is you want to put that in your box. And sometimes it's a little hard to get in there, and then just press it out just like that. And there you go. A nice little cute little box that you can use. So thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.